Good morning to all. My name is Pranav. My center name is NTTF Murbad. My course name is Tool and Die Making. My name is Types of Fasteners. Here is the content: Introduction, Types of Fasteners, Material, Advantage and Disadvantages. Introduction: An element used for holding or joining two or more parts of a machine or structure is known as a fastener. The process of joining the parts is known as a fastening. Here are some types of fasteners: bolts, screws, nuts, washers, rivets, nails, and stud. Bolts. These are used with nuts to hold component together. Screws. Screws are similar to the bolt but finer. Screws are designed to be inserted into material and hold them together. Nuts. Hexagonal or square box that are threaded internally to be screwed onto bolt. Washers. Washer placed under the bolt and nut to reduce friction and prevent the losing of component due to vibration. Rivets. Rivets are used for fastening sheet metals and plates. Nails. Small metal spike with flat heads commonly used in construction for joining wood. Stud. Headless bolt with the thread on both ends used to mount and fasten object. Material. Here are the some materials of the fasteners: steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, bronze and brass, aluminum. Advantages: less expensive, enhanced safety. Disadvantages: extra weight, removal difficulty. Thank you.